Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can simply create a wave text effect on the CapCut PC app. I'm just finding a background quickly to add to the, okay, maybe not that one, to the image here. Okay, let's just use the same holographic one, it's fine. Go to text and add in your default text, and you can type anything you want basically. If you want to create a wave, do two texts, one and then another one. Oops, sorry, I don't know why that copy and pasted. I'm just going to select the font first, maybe something else, color there. I want it to be a little bit longer. And then if you scroll down to basic, there is a curve button, and you're just going to select it, and you're just going to adjust the curve. Maybe have a longer word, and then have one like that. And I am also going to add in a shadow as well. And I might change the color of the shadow like this maybe. I'm just going to copy and paste it. And I'm going to move it here. And then I will go down and adjust the strength to -146. So it creates this wave V text effect. If you want to resize it, just both first, create compound clip and resize it like that so it's easier. And you can even copy and paste it a couple of times if you want more waves and stuff, but I'm just going to go with this one wave. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!